Hey guys, how deadly can a Maren be? Take a look. I hit my head. I hit my head really hard. Okay, ow, 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 ow. This is actually not good. Not for me to be back here. Ah. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's black right there. Wanna feel it? Oh my god, it's black. It's actually deadly. Yeah, for me, this is deadly. That Maren's killing me. Oh my god, that Maren's killing me. Ow, 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 ow.
What are you doing?
I just looking behind the baler.
You gotta get out from behind the button.
Okay. That's actually the model. Kind of upset me a little bit because there's nothing on here. Because there's nothing I could want to look. There's no model number. Oh, want to touch that little red? Oh yes, red. Yeah, it was actually troubling to have spray paint on this. Troubling to. Okay, when I get the baler, I'm gonna fix that. Ball. No. Get out. Get out. Okay.